All right, so now you're wondering, how do I tell the machine what my work offset, or G54 is the most common starting work offset because it's the first in the series of G codes that reference work offsets. So I'm just gonna zero return the machine real quick in Z to get it up off the table for safety. So on my machine, we never set it this way on the machine because we have spindle probes and stuff like that, but there's a specific menu here for offsets. Now this is the tool offset page. I'll switch over to the work offset page, and we have coordinates here for G54 all the way through G154 P100. This machine sports a lot of different work offsets, so we'll go back up to the top. So you can see this right here, these are all the machine coordinates that represent the X, Y, and Z zero positions in each of those work offsets. So I'll just set G154 P1, for example. Now again, I never set them this way because we have better ways to do it, but on something like your machine, what I would expect you to have is basically you're gonna jog the machine or manually move it. So let's handle jog it down here. Let's say we wanted to set G154 P1 at the center of this rotary here. So we'll jog the spindle over to approximately center. And again, I'm not trying very hard because this is just a demonstration, but we'll pretend that's centered on that rotary. And then we'll go back into offsets, work offsets, and then there's a button on here that says part 0 set. So if I do part 0 set, it's going to record the machine axis positions. See here, if we look at the machine coordinate systems again, we got -14 in X, -10 in Y, and -12 in Z. And that's exactly what we see in the offset positions there. So basically these numbers here are basically just telling the machine how far to shift the coordinates from 0 in order to put the work coordinate in the right place. So hopefully this makes a little more sense.